Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. If you're new here, my name is Zainab and thank you for clicking in today's video. So in today's video, I'm sharing a simple but delicious and quick recipe. It's cream and muffin dessert. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video with family and friends, and comment down below what you think about the recipe. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So since it's muffin and cream dessert, we will need some muffin. I'm going to crush them. So this dessert was for 7 people. So if you want to make for 2 to 3 people, you don't need to use like 6 muffin, which I'm using. You can use only 2 or 3. Yeah, so for fresh cream, I use 1 liter. Okay, now I'm going to set aside the muffin and bring a bowl. I'm going to add my 1 liter of fresh cream, and then I'm going to beat fresh cream until it's soft and smooth, not too thick. So this is 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. And this is the consistency we need in our fresh cream. As you guys can see, it's not too thick, just soft and smooth. Now I'm going to set that aside and we're going to beat the cream cheese. So cream cheese is 230 gram. Yeah, so we're going to beat just for 1 to 2 minutes to soften. Done with the cream cheese, now we're going to mix cream cheese and fresh cream together. Now in a tray, we're going to add a bit of a fresh cream and spread it. Now with this delicious dessert topping sauce, I'm going to draw some lines on top of the cream. Next, I'm going to add my crushed muffin, making sure I cover all the cream since we have to add another cream on top of the muffin. Again, we're going to draw some lines on top of the cream using dessert topping sauce. Now I'm going to add the rest of the crushed muffin which is left, and then I'm going to create beautiful design with the rest of the cream by putting the cream just on the side of the tray and not on the center. And this is what I'm talking about. So what I did is just to draw the lines on the cream using the topping sauce. And this is how it turned out. I just loved how it looks, and also was really yummy, guys. Was really delicious. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like, don't forget to like, okay? It's very important. Give me that like and share as well. I'll see you guys in my next upload. For now, bye bye.